In this video, I am not going to waste your time. I'm going to show you how you can turn a simple link into a fully produced video automatically. No time wasted, just straight to the point. Imagine you're a dropshipper looking for ways to promote products efficiently. You have an Amazon or AliExpress product link, maybe it's a Halloween decoration or a brand new PC. In this video, I'll show you how to create a video about the product using just that link. Let's dive in. Now, the site we're using is called TopView AI. It's a game changer for content creators, automating the video creation process by using advanced AI tools. Whether you're a small business owner or marketer, this platform can save you hours of production time and deliver professional results. Now, just sign up with your personal email service or continue with your Google or Apple account. Now, you'd be greeted with this interface after signing up. You can just cancel this. As you can see in the lower bottom left, as a new free user, you are only given 10 credits per account. To somewhat bypass this, you can use a temporary email service such as TempMail. Now let's create our video. As you can see, you'd be presented with lots of different characters you can use for your video. I personally find that very nice from the service. They also update the list and add more characters from time to time. So just choose the character you want to use and select them. In this case, I'm going to go with her. Now, as you can see, each character comes in different poses. It's up to you to pick whichever one you want to use for your video. I'm just going to go with this one right here. Now let's get the link of the product we want to make a video on. In this case, we're going to use Amazon to find our product. So we go to Amazon.com and look for any product. Now we scroll through a bit. I'm looking for something that showcases the full potential of our AI tool, ideally a trending item with great visuals and a detailed description. This pair of headphones seems good. Okay, after finding your product's link, just copy the specific URL of that product at the top of your screen on the address bar. Now paste the URL here and hit Analyze Link. Now the AI will scrape that URL for texts and images. The AI will then generate a promo script for the product. And yes, it does all that at once. After it's done, as you can see, the tool scrapes the images from the product link and brings them here, where the user can choose which they want to use, if not all. If you already have assets locally, you can just add them directly as well. As you can see, it also generates a full script for the video automatically based off the product alone. You can also set how long you want your video to be and add a bit of extra customization. In this case, I'll just leave it at the defaults. Select the resolution you want your video to be as well as the language. You'd be shocked on how accurate this tool can translate. After everything's been set to your style, just hit generate. Then just give it about a minute or two. Alright, so once the video has started processing, you'll see several paraphrased versions of the script. Each one is a bit different. You can go through these, choose one you like, or tweak them to match your style. Now the video is done processing. You can play the video preview and see how it is, but it wouldn't be perfectly synced, so we just export the video. And then let the video export for download. And now the video is ready for downloading. So let's download and view our results.
Yo, did you know these headphones pack JBL Pure Bass sound? It's the same tech that rocks the biggest stages around the globe. Say goodbye to tangled wires, fam. With Bluetooth 5.3, you can stream top-notch sound seamlessly. Want to tweak your tunes? Download the JBL app. You can customize your sound with the EQ. Total game changer. Get ready for a marathon of jams. These bad boys last up to a staggering 76 hours on a single charge. In a rush? No worries. Just 5 minutes gives you 3 extra hours of vibe time. Need to make a call? Easy peasy. These headphones let you manage calls like a pro. And they're super comfy, y'all. Lightweight and foldable. Perfect for on the go. So what are you waiting for? Grab your JBL Tune 720BT headphones now and rock out.
Now, not all websites allows other sites to scrape their content. For such websites such as AliExpress, it's a completely different process. I will now quickly show you how to do this on such websites. In this case, I'm going to be using AliExpress. I'm adding this because most dropshippers generally prefer to source their product off AliExpress due to the price differences compared to other platforms. So let's log back into our account and get everything set up. So I'm just going to select him right here. Now, I forgot to mention, here you can see the mainstream site supported by the service, but we're going to use AliExpress for this one. Now, this is the product I'm going to use for this one. We simply copy-paste the link where it should be. As you can see, when we hit Analyze Link, we're quickly prompted to install their extension. So let's do just that. Note that, as of right now, this extension is only available for Chromium-based browsers. So if you use others, say Firefox, for example, you'd have to get a Chromium-based browser for it. So now let's use our extension. Click the extension icon on the upper right of the browser, then just click on the extension itself. As you can see, the product URL is automatically inserted into the URL box. Simply click Convert URL to Video. Now it's done, so just click here for the video. And now just analyze video. And for the purpose of accuracy, I'm just going to select Japanese as the language. Now just generate. Now export. And here are the results.
みんなハロウィンの準備はできてる？今日はちょっと怖いアイテムを紹介するよ。このイエコンスパイダーウェブ、エラにでギラギラ光るんだ。まるで本物の雲が待ち構えてるみたい。この子があるだけで恐ろしい雰囲気が一気に出るよ。サイズは20グギーから100リュックまであるから、どんな場所にもぴったり、パーティーの雰囲気に合わせて選んでね。耐久性のあるプラスチックで何年使ってもへっちゃらだよ。微風堂々とした雲の蝶、いつでも登場できる。シャッチも超簡単、誰でもできるから安心して。時間がないあなたもすぐに準備 OK。 ハロウィンの外傷にはこれがマストアイテムだよ。さあちょっと怖い飾り付けで友達を驚かせちゃおう。今すぐクリックしてゲットしないと後悔するよ。
If you're still here, thanks for watching. I'm a relatively new channel, and I wanted to cover this topic because of how underrated it is, but does have lots of potential. If you found this helpful or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I've got more content on the way, so stay tuned.